Alright guys, this is our overhead squat assessment that we use for our gold state orientation, our on-ramp, and our skill sessions. We'll instruct the individual to have their feet shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward, arms go straight up above their head, palms facing each other, and they'll knock out a couple of squats for us. We're going to be looking for any compensations in their movement patterns that we don't want to see. We're looking from the front view as well as the lateral view. From this side view, some of the things we're looking for is that they're not getting appropriate range of motion. So if they're cutting their squat really shallow, obviously that's an issue. We want to get them that full range of motion, use all those joints and musculature as they're supposed to be used. We're looking for them to shift up onto their toes as they squat. Generally, if we see them shifting forward, they're going to be putting a lot of stress on their knees, very quad dominant, and their range of motion is probably going to be less anyway. We're looking for an excessive lordotic arch, so their lumbar is going to be super arched back. Not a very good position. Again, we're going to tend to see a limited range of motion in there. We're looking for excessive hip flexion. So we're looking for their body to collapse forward, almost like a deadlift position. And then lastly, we're going to be looking for their arms to collapse forward. That tends to be just the shoulder joint itself. The lat or the pec might be very tight. They can't keep their arms up above their head very well, or their elbows are bending. That tends to be their bicep and pec attachment as well. And then go ahead from the frontal view. Yep. So things we're looking in this is that their feet are collapsing inward, and that their toes tend to collapse outward. Obviously right now we're looking at some valgus knee position. The knees are sliding in. Generally those two items are going to move together. If their knees collapse inward, their feet are going to tend to turn out. We're also looking for a hip shift. So if their individual is squatting one direction more than the other, obviously that tends to be an issue. We're going to see some range of motion problems as well, and we'll need to correct that.